Hey, what's up, guys? We're taking a look at lines 112 to 115. We're finishing up what we just did about the cyclopes in 111. So we get ombros, right? The rain. This is nominative here, right? Ombros, second declension. So the rain, and now Zeus's genitive form, dios of Zeus, exe, makes those things grow, sphin, for them. All right, so let's move on to line 112. We start off here with toisen, which we're going to call a dative of possession. So for them. And then we are going to have these correlatives. So correlatives, remember, are words where you can't get one without the other. And so our correlatives here will be ute, ute. Toisen means to them there are, or you could just say they have uta, neither X nor Y. And the things they don't have are going to go into the nominative case. So they have neither agorai, places to assemble, places to gather, nor do they have themistes, and these are laws. Now, remember, both of these concepts, the agorai and the themistes, the laws, those are very important concepts for the Greeks. And so they would have been appropriately horrified by people who don't have either of those things. And remember, the agorai, this is a feminine plural noun. And even though this looks like it's masculine plural, it does modify the agorai. So they don't have agorai, which bear counsels, nor do they have themistes. They have laws. But what do they do? Allah, but hoi, but they, naiusi, here's my verb, but they dwell in the karena, in the peaks. And if we look at this word karena, we'll see it's neuter, karenon, and ta, which tells me that that ending alpha is the plural. So they dwell in the peaks, and then blue is genitive, of lofty mountains. And where do they dwell? Specifically, and speci glaphoroisi, so this would be in hollow caves. Remember that in Homer, you can swap them. So this is literally, it says in caves, and then it tells you hollow. In English, we just swap them, right? In hollow caves. And what else happens? Themistewe de hekastos. So here's my subject, hekastos. And each one, meaning each one of the cyclopes, themistewe, makes the laws or rules over. And when you rule over something in Greek, you rule over something in the genitive case. So I'm looking for genitives, and I find two of them right there. Rules over his children and his wives. And this word here, ada, don't forget, is just like our word kai in Attic Greek, right? This is just a substitution for the connective word I, the conjunction kai. So if we go back over that for a second, right? And each one, hekastos, themistewe, acts as the ruler over the children and the wives. Ud alelon alegusin. So let's go up to alegusin. And alego means to pay attention to somebody. Down here it says, be concerned for. So they don't pay attention. They're not concerned for. And when you're concerned for someone in Greek, you're concerned for someone, of course, in the genitive case, and that's this word alelon. right here. Before we close it up, I just want to make sure you see here Themistes. This is the word for law. Themis is the base of it. So Themistes is laws. Themis, and then down here again, you have Themisteue. So here's the noun for law, and here's the verb, which means to make laws. Very important concepts for the Greeks. All right, so that takes us down to the end of the passage, lines 112 to 115. And I hope you enjoyed this recording, and I will see you in class.